Hello, Glamour and Sugaries. It's me, Cherry. Welcome to another fun episode. Today we're making something fruity, something kind of frozen, and super yummy. It's fruit parfaits. For most of my supplies, I went to this awesome Japanese store, Tokyo Central, where they have tons of food, sushi, and they have endless supplies of products for Asian desserts. Here's their different red bean paste options. And down below, you'll see the assorted flavors of coconut cubes and boba. We also need fruit, but don't buy these expensive strawberries imported from Japan. They'll cost you a pretty penny. Exciting to see all the cool mochi. And don't forget their 31 flavors of POCKY. Now there's many variations on how you can make this. The Parfait, no, it's not called the Parfait. The Parfait originated in France. Where else? Where they make beautiful desserts. And it was originally made by boiling cream, egg, sugar, and syrup in order to make a custard-like puree. The American version contains a lot more ingredients like fruits, nuts, yogurt, granola, but we're making our parfait in an Asian style with Asian flavors like ube ice cream, red bean azuki ice cream, and some ice cream I made myself, mango. Ooh, do you want to see? There it is. And what we're gonna do is layer the ice cream in this beautiful glass along with fresh fruit like strawberries and blueberries, and then add some really cool ingredients like red azuki bean paste and coconut gel cubes, as well as mini mochi. It's gonna be fun, like building a sundae. Then we're gonna top them off with these beautiful Pocky sticks, which make a really cool topper because they come in so many flavors. I have matcha and strawberry here. Let's get to the ingredients. The first thing we want to do is actually cut the fruit. I've already pre-cut some here, but I'm gonna show you how I cut them. So you just wanna wash and dry your strawberries. Then we're gonna cut the tops off here. And we're gonna cut them a few different ways. This one we're gonna just slice really nice and thin. And then some we're actually gonna cut in half. That's why I have these that are sliced nice and thin and these that are cut more like halfway. Making them look pretty. All right, let's do the little rows that the only trick I know how to do with strawberries. Take your strawberry, cut off the end, and then you're gonna just kind of make little slits in the strawberry. Not too deep because they will break if you make them too deep, but you're just kind of gradually cutting them on each side like that. And then, if you can see, I'm just going to push it apart. Can you see that? So that it kind of looks like a rose. Pretty, huh? Here we go with the mango ice cream. Ooh, oh my gosh. This is so yummy, and it's actually made with real mango puree. Look at that. Now we're just gonna put it in the bottom of that glass there. And we're gonna need a spoon to kind of help us push everything down because we want it to be like a layer. I can't wait to try this. So we cut a little notch in our azuki bean here, and we're gonna squeeze that in. Kind of looks like chocolate, almost. Here are the jubes or jelly cubes in coconut. And I'm just draining out the juice there. Let's try one of those. It tastes like those jellies they put in the bottom of boba drinks. Really yummy. And it has a hint of strawberry. Now we're gonna put the strawberries in. Just kind of put the thin ones in by pushing them slightly into that red bean. So it makes a pretty look around the glass there. Then we're gonna put some more ice cream in before we add the mochi. And then we're gonna take our awesome mochi and just put it on top. Whoa, cool. Shake up your whipped cream. If you've watched my videos, you know how much luck I have with whipped cream. Okay, so let's do a swirl. Whoa, oh my gosh, that looks amazing. Okay. Now, why did we cut these halves like this? Well, this is the part where we stick them in. Oops, I stuck it in upside down. No, that's not what I wanted. Sorry, let me wipe the cream off there. You're supposed to put the pointy end out so it looks cool. That's how they do it. So, there you go. Put the pointy end out. I think I'm supposed to make them a little bit closer. And maybe one more right there. Yes. Now, I think you're supposed to put more. I feel like they're a little thick though, so I'm gonna cut them down just a little bit. Because I don't want them to topple over. Cool! Oh my gosh! And now we can put our strawberry on top, our strawberry rose. Can you see that? All right, here's what the other side looks like. And then, no! All right, which Pocky stick should we use? Let's do a matcha Pocky stick. This is what it looks like when you take it out of the package. Look at those! Oh my gosh, these are yummy. All right, here we go. That is it. What do you think? We're gonna make one with ube this time and blueberry. Let's start building. Ube, one of my favorite flavors. Oh my gosh, it has this beautiful purple color. It's made from a potato purple yam, and it's got this gorgeous color that just makes me love it. Add some blueberries to the side, like a layer of blueberries. Oh, how pretty is that? Can you see that on the side? Almost. Let's add a little more blueberry. Wow. Okay. Now, I'm gonna add a little bit more ice cream. Scoop our mochi out of this thing. And look at that. A layer of mochi. We can add a little red bean. Whatever flavors you want, you can add. Adding some coconut. I'm gonna add the whipped cream because that makes everything better. then we'll add these beautiful strawberry Pocky. Look at this packaging, really cool. And there you go. Awesome. Last one we're making is with red bean azuki flavored ice cream. Ooh. We're gonna start with the red bean paste in the bottom here. Come on, red bean. Let's go. This stuff is yummy. I'm not like asking you to eat like kidney beans in your dessert. I guess you could try that, but I don't think it would taste as good as this. Squish it down with your spoon. There we go. And now we're gonna top it with some red azuki bean ice cream. Plop that in there. Now we're gonna stick our strawberries inside of it. Now layer the strawberries inside. If you just stick them down in there, and then you can kind of see them on the side of the glass, which is fun. I'm just taking it and pushing it right into the ice cream there. Now we add a little more ice cream to the middle there. Get in the middle. There we go. We add our mochi. Go crazy with the mochi. This is the fun part. This is the textural element to your parfait. You can add some coconut if you like. Do something like this and put some strawberries like that. Now if you don't put any whipped cream in, you can just have it like that. Beautiful dessert. Add a little more coconut there. Add a little more mochi. Yeah, they're escaping. The mochi is escaping. There you go. It's pretty. Yay. All for me. Just kidding. All for you. Grab yourself a big spoon and dig right in. The texture of that mochi is so chewy, but it's very easy to eat and very easy to swallow, so it's not like a gummy bear where you have to chew it for a while. Let's try it with the mango. This is delicious. You're gonna love it. Hope you get to try it. We need a little bit of that ice cream. Oh. That is like a party in my mouth, because not only is there ube ice cream in there, but the blueberries give that burst of fresh fruit. The coconut is that chunky kind of chewiness, and the whipped cream is very creamy. Awesome. Thanks everybody for hanging out with me today. I had a yummy time tasting all of these delicious desserts. I hope that you get to make these beautiful, easy parfaits. There's no baking involved. Now, if you haven't subscribed already, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button down below, as well as the thumbs up, and be sure to share this video with your family and friends. This is a really, really simple recipe, and it doesn't take anything but going to the store and putting it together.